Did you know that the Sun is approximately 150 million kilometers from the Earth? That's a great distance, and very far, I would say, considering the amount of heat from the Sun we feel on the Earth. In previous lessons, you have learned how to read large numbers. In this lesson, we will be learning how to read large numbers in words and write them in figures. We will be using our place value system to help us in doing this. Let's begin with 169,058,154. So what we are going to be doing is to be taking the number in groups and placing them into the place value system. So we have 169 million. So we go to the million column and we write 169. After that, we have 58,000. So we place 58 under 1,000. And lastly, we have 154. So that is 154. Now, because of the space in between 9 and 5, we add a 0 there. Therefore, to write 169,058,154 in figures, we have 169,058,154. Let's see another example. Write 1,317,402,398 in figures. We proceed the same way we did for the first example. So for 1 billion, we write 1 under billion. After that, we have 317 million. So under million, we have 317. Moving on, we have 402,000. So under 1,000, we have 402. And lastly, we have 398. That is 398. So our final answer for writing 1,317,402,398 in figures will be 1,317,402,398. Now, for our last example, write 73,301,604,030 in figures. We also proceed in the same way. So for 73 trillion, under trillion, we have 73. Next after that is 301 billion. So under billion, we have 301. After that, we have 604,000. So under 1,000, we have 604. And after 604,000, we have 30. So we place 30 in the last column. Now we also have empty spaces between numbers, so we fill them up with zeros. Therefore, our answer for writing 73,301,604,030 in figures will be 733,000,604,030. You can see that writing large numbers in figures is not as difficult as you thought. Always remember to add zeros in groups where the numbers are not up to the 100 place value. See you around.